Hello guys, today's chapter Normal English, Advanced English 1. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Second, I'm very hungry. I'm starving. 3. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. 4. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. 5. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. 6. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. 7. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. 8. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. 9. Stop wasting time. Stop following around. 10. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. 11. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. 12. Leave me alone. Give me a break. 13. How are you? How's it going? 14. It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. 15. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. 16. I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tied up. 17. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? 18. I'm fit and built boy. I'm fit as a fiddle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks.